How to get Chick-fil-A working promo code. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First, you want to open up any web browser and on the search box, search for Chick-fil-A promo code and press enter. Now on the search result, you're going to find different websites that offer you Chick-fil-A's promo code. You can basically open any one of them. Just make sure that the website is reliable. I have opened up the one called worthypenny.com. Now from all of these options, you want to choose the promo code which will work best for you. As you can see, the different promo codes offer different sort of discounts. There is one that's going to give you 5% off, then there is 25% off option. There is also free delivery promo codes. Find the one that you want to use, and once you have found it, click on the show button. Then you're going to find the coupon code over here. Simply click on the copy option. Once you have copied the promo code, you want to click on the shop option or open a new tab and head over to chickfila.com and sign into your account. In order to sign in, you simply have to enter your username and password. After that, select a store from where you want to place your order. Then you will have to choose your order. Once it is done, you want to click on the add to order option, and then that is going to be added to your cart. Once the item has been added on your bag, you can add some more items if you want, or if you are ready to check out, you can click on the bag option and here you can review your order. Once the confirmation has been done, you want to click on the checkout option. Then on the checkout page, you're going to find your estimated total. Here you're going to find an option to enter your promo code, so go ahead and enter that. If the promo code is valid, you're going to get the discount as mentioned. And that's it for this video. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.